Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you what are the most popular DevOps tools using in the IT industry. First, let me tell you what is DevOps. DevOps is basically a culture. So you can say software engineering culture. So the main objective of DevOps is unifying software development and software operation. It is a broad area and it involves many tools at different stages. So there are many tools available to implement DevOps. So I can say one thing here, any tool you select, it totally depends on infrastructure and model in which you want to develop specific software. So there is no such concept that one tool in DevOps is better than another tool. So it is true that one tool might be used frequently as compared to other, but it is just because of user choice or infrastructure of the business requiring that tool. So in this video, I am going to list out some of the common DevOps tools that are frequently used. So the first one is Jenkins. So Jenkins is my favorite tool for DevOps engineer because it is written in Java programming language, and it is a continuous integration server that is used for testing and telling about changes in real time. So it helps developers to solve bugs in the written code and automate the testing. The next tool is Docker. It is a platform for distributed applications. It helps the engineers who want to build and run any application anywhere. Docker helps them to assemble all the apps from components. The next tool is Chef. From IT automation to configuration management, Chef relies on the resources and checks the nodes and brings them up to the date for you. It manages nodes from single server and integrates with major cloud providers. The next one is Puppet. So this is an open source configuration management tool, and it helps to enforce consistency of environment and works across physical and virtual machines. So this tool runs on many Unix like systems as well as Microsoft Windows. So majorly DevOps engineers rely on Puppet for IT automation. So it is used to automate method of inspecting and delivering the software. The next one is Git. It is a version control system. It helps and allows engineers to track changes in the file. And the key features of Git include moving or adding files, ignoring certain files, branches, checking the status of the changes, finding a version that introduced a bug using a binary search. So it is one of the most popular tool as well developers as well as DevOps engineers is Git and GitHub. The next tool is Selenium. For developing and automated test, it provides easy interface. For web application, Selenium gives a portable software testing framework. The next one is Antitool. It is a Java library and command line tool. It helps to drive process as targets and extension points dependent upon each other. It provides a number of built-in tasks, and it can plot any process described in terms of targets and tasks. The next most popular tool is Ansible. So this is an open source tool. It automates the apps and IT infrastructure such as cloud deployments, network configuration, and creation of development environment. The next tool is Linux. At most of the tools you will use being DevOps will be installed on Linux. So you should be familiar with this operating system. If you are a Linux administrator, you will have good opportunity to switch to as a DevOps engineer, because most of the DevOps tools are running on Linux OS only. The next one is any scripting language like Bash, Perl, Python. Any one of the scripting language will be required to automate your daily admin task and to reduce your effort and to save time while migrating human errors. The next one is ELK. Once you have to set up your infrastructure and you need to check logs at a centralized location, then ELK will be handy for you to perform this stuff. And one more thing, you should have cloud experience, any cloud, like most preferably AWS. So most of the startups and mid-level companies are using cloud platform. So you should have exposure to cloud computing. So AWS is preferred. Okay, and also you should have any experience on web server. It might be Tomcat, Apache. Okay, any web server with good hands-on practice will be helpful to set up the rest of the tools. So these are the main common tools for DevOps engineer. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So thank you for watching.